So welcome back everybody to another Cute Art School. Today we are going to be drawing Opila Bird from Garten Of Banban. So grab your supplies and let's get started. So first we're going to start off by making the eyes. So what you want to do is just make a circle. Then you want to go ahead and make another circle. Now that we have the eyes made, now we're going to move on to the beak. So what you want to do is make a curved line right under the eyes. And then you want to make another curved line that goes down from the second eye. Now you want to finish off the beak by making another curved line. Now to finish off the beak, you want to make a little curved line just like that. And then you want to make another long curved line that extends all the way down until you get to the end of the beak. Now going back to the eyes, we want to make the pupils, so you want to go ahead and make a circle inside of the circle we drew in the beginning. And then we're going to do the same for the other eye. We're just going to draw another circle, and now we have the face. Now we're going to move on to making the head. So what you want to do is you want to make a long curved line right next to the two eyes. And we're going to stop right about there. Now starting from that curved line we just drew, we're going to make a diagonal line going all the way down past the beak, and we're going to curve it out a tiny bit. Then we're going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. You want to now make another line going all the way down past the beak and stopping right about there. Now you want to make a curved line for the body. We're going to make a long curved line and we're going to stop right about here. Now we're going to move on to the wing. So what you want to do is from that line, you want to extend it out and then curve it up. And then from there, we're going to make another curved line and we're going to stop right about there. We are now going to extend the wing by making another curved line that's going to connect to the line we drew in the beginning for the body. Now we're going to move on to the lower part of the body. We're going to start from the big curved line we drew for the wing, and we're going to go all the way down until it meets the part where the neck started at. We are now going to continue that curved line. We're going to bring it up to right about there, and we're going to align it to where this part of the neck meets, and then we're going to make a long curved line and we're going to connect it down to finish off the body. Now we're going to go to the side of the body and we're going to make the other wing, so you want to make it match to that point, and then we're going to make a curved line and connect it back to the body. So now let's move on to the legs. So starting from the bottom part of the body, you want to make a straight line going down and stopping right about there. You then want to make a diagonal line that goes outward just like that, and you want to curve it up. We are going to repeat that same motion and we're going to stop right about there, and then we're going to do the same thing one more time. We're going to make another foot and then stopping right about there, and then we're going to go up with a straight line back to the body. We are now just going to do the same thing on the other side. So again, another straight line stopping right about there. We're going another diagonal line that curves up, and then repeat like we did the other foot. So again, we're going to make another toe, and then we're going to do the same thing one more time, and then we're going to then make another straight line that connects right back up to the body. So now we are going to move to the top part of the head. So what you want to do is make a diagonal line that goes up and curves inward, and then you want to do the same thing, except this time you want to make it just a bit longer, so just like that. And then we're going to go ahead and do the same thing, except this time we're going to make it smaller than the line we just drew and connect it back to the head. And there you have it, you guys. I hope you guys had fun drawing with me today. I had so much fun drawing with you, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. If you can, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. That would mean so much to me. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you again. Bye bye.